So you received the PDF for the questions of jumbled passages. We had 30 minutes. I hope everybody has solved the examples. Yes? So how were the questions? Were we able to do it? Yeah, there were a bit more questions you could have done with a little bit more time. But I think that's fair enough as of now. So yeah, if you could do about 30 odd questions in the 30 minutes, that is fair enough. If you could do all 40, then excellent. But if you could do at least 30 odd questions, then that would have been a decent score. So even if you did less, the important part is how accurate were you, right? So let's start taking a look at the questions, right? Even if you were not able to finish it, that's okay. But let's take a look at the answers to the questions, right? I'll put them up on the screen and discuss them. And if there are any doubts, you can stop me and ask. So this was the first question, correct? Description of an everyday event, simple description of an everyday event. So in this, what is the sequence? Because it's an activity, right? So it talks about I. S1 talks about I. Then P talks about he. Q is also I. R talks about he. S talks about he, and S6 talks about he. So it makes sense that it has to start with Q. Now the point is it QSRP or 1? So I took the cigarettes, I lit one of them and placed it between my lips. But when the fit of coughing was over, so that means the act of coughing has to first begin. So that means S has to be followed by P, right? S cannot be after P. That means C has to be my right answer in this case. That's straightforward. C has to be the right answer in this case. I hope everybody got this. Gautam, it's the score which matters. It's the score which matters. Next one. There's a difference between Gandhi's concept of secularism and that of Nehru's. So, P talks about Nehru's idea of secularism, right? P talks about Nehru's idea. Q talks about Gandhi's idea, right? According to Gandhi, all religions are equal to and each scripture is worthy of respect. And such secularism means the rejection of all religions. That means Gandhi talks about respecting everybody, but Nehru's idea is indifference to all religion. So P followed by R makes a lot of sense. And S talks about, in Gandhi's view, secularism is respect for all religions. So S and Q together make a good pair. So SQ together make a good pair and PR together make a good pair. And in the S1, first Gandhi's concept is talked about and then Nehru's. So obviously, first you describe Gandhi's concept and then Nehru's. So A is my answer in this one. Right? Okay. Next one. Why not C? Okay. Some guys are having the doubt. Why not C? That is PR you are okay with. But the question is, instead of SQ, having QS. Now look at S. Right? First S1 talks about their different concepts. In Gandhiji's view, secularism stands for equal respect for all religions is a very general statement. And Q elaborates upon it. It says all religions are equal, equally true, and scriptures are worthy of respect. So first you give a generalist description and then you give a little more detail about it. You don't first give details about something and then talk about it in general. You first talk about it in general and then give a detailed description about it. So SQ is better than QS. right? SQ is better than QS. Yes, Gautam. If Nehru was talked about first and then Gandhi, then of course description of Nehru first and then Gandhi. ठीक है? Hardi, Pranav. Okay. Next one. As a dramatist, Rabindranath was not what might be called a success. Right? Now, P talks about drama, Q talks about plays, R talks about drama, and then S says although in his short stories and novels he was able to create living and well-defined characters, he did not seem to be able to do in dramas. So the concept of dramas is introduced in S, and then P and R talk about dramas. So PR have to follow S, right? So PR have to follow S. So either it's between A and C. Now the point is, Q is talking about something different, right? Q is talking about plays. So Q cannot interrupt in between, and that's why my right answer is C. So all the sentences which talk about dramas are together with the introductory line of dramas, S being the leader, and Q cannot come in between them. So the only option which follows these rules are QSPR, option C. Manush, got that? Like I said, PS, pehle dekho, S talks about although he did something in short stories, he could not do so in drama. So the concept of drama is introduced in S, and then elaboration of what he did in dramas. So S has to be before P and R. Shubhankar, pay attention. I gave the explanation. S introduces dramas. So S has to be before both P and R. Did you get that? Okay. Next one. It is regrettable there is widespread corruption in the country. So there is hardly anything the government can do. So this word so means that there is some explanation on why the government can hardly do anything. And Q says there are graft and other malpractices too. So first it talks about corruption, and then it adds on that there are other bad things also. So S1 being followed by Q is a great option. And then what are the other things? So only one option actually starts with Q. Then you say recently several offenders were brought to book, but they were not given deterrent punishment. The impression that corruption is universal phenomenon persists. People do not cooperate. So there is hardly anything, right? So R has to be followed by P. People do not cooperate, and that's why the government can hardly do anything about it. So only one option, A, matches all this criteria, making it the right answer. Right? What is a tragedy? The tragedy is that government can't do anything about it. The tragedy is that government can't do anything about it. Did you understand that? So ending with P, but starting definitely with Q. Because first it talks about that there is corruption and there is graft and other malpractices. So all these should be together. So S1 has to be followed by Q. And there is one option, there's only one option which starts with Q. S1 has to be followed by Q, Amanbir. See, S1 talks about the problem of corruption, and then Q talks about problems of graft and malpractices too. So you talk about all the wrong things together. So S1 has to be followed by Q. See, if you say that corruption has to be in continuity, then Q को बीच में fit करना is problematic, because everything is else about corruption, and suddenly randomly you can't talk about malpractices in between. So first you make a list of all the problems, and then you talk about one of the problems in detail. Yes? So Q cannot be the ender. I mean, Q may be the ender, but none of the options puts Q at the end. It puts Q in the middle. and Q cannot be in the middle. So the beginner. Aditya. RSQP. Again, see, R talks about the impression that corruption is universal phenomenon, persists and people do not cooperate. Recently, several offenders were brought to book. So, is there a connection between R and S? Doesn't S seem very abrupt after R? Right? And rather, there is a connection between R and P, that people do not cooperate, so government can do nothing about it. Did you get it now, Aditya? The two sentences R and S don't match. Police not taking part. Police do not cooperate and police take part. Where does police take part? Where is police take part given? See, recently they were not punished. So the impression is created that it is a universal phenomenon and people do not cooperate, and hence the government can hardly do anything about it. Yeah, punishments were not given, but is that directly connecting something? See, R has to be connected with P, right? The corruption is universal. People, see, why can't government do anything about it? Government is not giving punishment, so government can't do anything about it. That is not a connection. Do you get that? Enough deterrent punishment was not given. After that, there are graft and other malpractices too. And then there is hardly anything the government can do about it. That does not follow. Aditya, are you getting it? See, Q has to be the beginner because there is corruption, then there are other problems also. So all the problems you put together and then you start explaining one of them. Also, R has to be followed by P. So there are two ways in which you can derive the right answer in this case. The fact that all the problems have to be discussed together, and in the end, because of non-cooperation of people, the government can't do anything about it. Both these help set our answers. If Q was given, no, you will never be given Q at the end because they don't want you to confuse. Then there will be two options and they will never try to give two options which are conflicting. Chalo. The heart is the pump of life. Why is it the pump of life? Because if the heart stops, we die in about 5 minutes. So S is the beginner, but S is there, beginning everything. Right? Now, a few years ago, it was impossible to operate on a patient if the heart was not operating. Nowadays, surgeons are able to stop a patient's heart. They have even succeeded in heart transplants. So Q के बाद ही P आएगा, right? So R पहले what happened in the past, today what is possible and what is also possible. So SRQP is definitely my right answer for this one. I think this is simple. Right? SRQP. Why not C? SQPR? Nowadays it is, see, if the heart stops, we die in about 5 minutes. Okay. Nowadays, surgeons are able to stop a patient's heart. They have even succeeded in heart transplant. A few years ago, it was impossible to operate on the patient whose heart was not working. All this was made possible. Was the impossible to operate made possible? You first talk about the past, के पहले नहीं हो पाता था, then you talk अभी हो पाता है, and then you talk about के ये किसकी वजह से मुमकिन हुआ है. You don't put the past after the present. देवेश, पहले past में नहीं हो पाता था, अभी present में हो सकता है, and this is the reason कि अभी present में क्यों हो सकता है. That is the sequence we always talk, and hence C cannot be your answer. ठीक है? चलो. Next one. Simple letter का sequence है. Your letter was a big relief. Why was it a big relief? Because अभी तुमने काफी महीनों तक नहीं लिखा था, right? You hadn't written for many months. So first, now the question: how did your exams go? राइट? पहले पूछते हैं कि एग्जाम कैसे गए. आई एम श्योर यू विल कम आउट विथ फ्लाइंग कलर्स, राइट? पी के बाद एस, पी के बाद एस, यू विल फाइंड फ्लाइंग कलर्स एंड रिजल्ट में आएंगे. उसके बाद तुम यहां पे आओ, और जब आओगे तो चॉकलेट लाना मत भूलना. सो आर पी एस क्यू, straight forward, has to be my right sequence. I think most of us definitely will get this one. I'm sure most of you definitely got this one. Yes, simple tha. Why not A, PSRQ? How did your exams go? I'm sure you will come out with flying colors. You hadn't written for over a month. भाई P एग्जाम की बात कर रहा है, Q भी रिजल्ट एग्जाम की बात कर रहा है, S भी बात कर रहा है. सो P, Q एंड S के बीच में R को क्यों फिट कर रहे हो नम्र? तीन चीजें एग्जाम से रिलेटेड हैं, सडनली बीच में कहते हो कि तुमने कुछ राइट ही नहीं किया, एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली कनेक्टेड विथ S1. तुम्हारी चिट्ठी मिली तो अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि महीने भर से तो तुमने लिखा नहीं था, चिंता होने लगी थी, तो तुमने अभी चिट्ठी भेज दिया, अच्छा लगा. सो दैट मेक्स सेंस, राइट? S1 हैज टू बी फॉलोड बाय R. होप यू गॉट दैट. Vanshika, yeah, if you are sure, then definitely you can do that, not a problem. If you are sure, you can definitely do that, not a problem. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट. Several sub-cities have been planned around the capital, right? It is talking about plural, many cities. Dwarka, singular. They, plural. It is coming up, singular. It will cater to singular. So Q has to be my beginner, because Q is talking about they, and that is referring to several sub-cities. तो Q से स्टार्ट होने वाले ऑप्शन को ही मैं कंसिडर करूंगा. उसके बाद द्वारका इज द फर्स्ट वन, राइट? फर्स्ट यू टॉक अबाउट वेयर दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू कम अप. सो द्वारका इज द फर्स्ट वन. इट विल कम अप इन द साउथ वेस्ट, and what it will do, it will cater to something. First you talk about location, and then you talk about purpose, right? So QPRS, option A, definitely the right one. Do you understand that? Jarna, Manush? Good. Why not B? See, P को देखो. P is talking about Dwarka, a singular place, right? And PRS, and they are expected to alleviate the problem of housing. तो ये they आप पूरे सिंगुलर के बाद आप एक सिंगल सिटी की बात कर रहे हो, और फिर सडनली they are expected to, they कहां से आ गया? The they has to be connected to some plural subject which is there only in S1. तो S1 has to be followed by Q. Did you get that? Q से पहले एक प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट का डेफिनेशन कहां पे आता है? सिर्फ और सिर्फ S1 में आता है. So S1 has to be with Q. So you're describing several sub-cities, you're talking about how Dwarka will do something, and then you're concluding that such sub-cities like Dwarka will solve the problem. Do you get that, Manush? You're talking about a general problem, you're giving an example, and then you're summarizing that this will solve the problem. Q should be at last. See, you plan several sub-cities and expect them to alleviate the problem. Doesn't that go together? And then you are giving an example of building Dwarka, and then you are saying that after these sub-cities are built, so the building thing is Dwarka. You plan something, you expect them to solve a problem, you give example of one such solution, and then you conclude that such solutions will help solve the problem. So Q has to go with S1. Okay, chalo. So one thing is for sure, that S6 talks about he, so we need a singular male subject which is there in S, right? So S has to be my ender. Now the question is, first S1 talks about forecasting the weather has been a difficult business. Why? Forecasting has been a difficult business because many different things affect the weather and we have to study them carefully to make an accurate forecast. So the beginner has to be Q, the ender has to be S. So now the question is, P के बाद R आएगा या R के बाद P आएगा, right? So initially it says during a period of drought, streams and rivers, because dried up, the cattle died from thirst and were ruined. Then it says ancient Egyptians had no need of weather in the Nile Valley, hardly, as the Nile Valley hardly ever changes. In early times, no instruments, blah blah blah, and then he made his broadcast, right? So PR is supposedly a better option than C, although RP is also close. RP is also close, but it says there was no need of weather, right? So PRRP, that is a bit, how do you say? It's a bit dicey between PR and RS. But first, you're talking about weather being a difficult business. So between P and R, P, which talks about negative things, is close to S1 than S6. S6 is all positive, and R is also sort of positive. So P and R का sequence थोड़ा बहुत उससे मिल जाएगा. Slightly controversial, but yes, the logic given is PR and RP में P goes with S1 as they are all of negative nature, and R goes with S6 as they are more of non-negative, so to say. So PR will be better than RP. Yeah. Okay. सी यहाँ पे सीक्वेंसेस क्या है? द मॉन्स्ट्रस टेरर सीज्ड हिम. He could hear nothing. When you hear nothing, that you are obviously frightened. But it lasted only a minute. Why did it last only a minute? Because he was no longer falling headlong now. Why? Because the next moment he could follow the wings. So QS RP. QS RP. Amanbir, your P and R in which one? Last one. Yeah, last one. P is negative, cattle dying. R says that it doesn't matter because Egyptians did not require the weather, they depended on the Nile Valley. Right, P is talking about death of cattle because weather is difficult. R is talking about how weather is not important. So P, negative, goes with the difficult business wala part. R, it talks about does not matter, which is non-negative. Got that, Amanbir? Okay. This one though, I think this is most guys got this one. Yashvi, ये वाला समझ में आ गया? Okay. This is simple. When you start a petrol pump, you first give an ad, right? When you give an ad, people respond to it. right? People respond to it, and then you employ them and they start working. And when they work, you make them work in shifts. Simple. Q, S, P, R. And Q has to be the starter, and only one option starts with Q. So this this was a sitter example. 10-15 seconds में you could have easily got this one. भव्या पिछले वाले में. Okay. B, QSPR. The monstrous terror seized him. He could hear nothing. He was not. See, if you're falling, then you are terrified. But when you are not falling, are you terrified? भव्या, जब आप नहीं गिर रहे, are you terrified? No. So, the monstrous terror seized him. When your ears hear nothing, you are frightened, right? But it only lasted a minute. Why did it only last a minute? The explanation is because he was not falling headlong now, right? So P should come afterwards as an explanation of why the terror stopped. Got that one? P comes as an explanation of why the terror stopped. Okay. This one was simple. This is simple, right? See, Q says they eat insects too. That means it has to be preceded by some sort of food ka. So S talks about feeding on nectar. So S के बाद ही Q आ सकता है, right? S के बाद ही Q आ सकता है. And S6 talks about colors, purple, black, yellow, maroon. तो इसके पहले कलर वाला स्टेटमेंट ही आएगा. सो इट हैज टू एंड इन आर. एस क्यू से बिगिन करके आर में एंड होने वाला एक ही ऑप्शन है. दैट हैज टू बी माई राइट आंसर. स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. आर टॉक्स अबाउट कलर्स एंड S6 टॉक्स अबाउट वेरियस कलर्स. तो R has to be the last one. And एक ही ऑप्शन में R is the final statement. So straightforward, that is correctly your answer. B cannot be my answer because R has to be at the end. R का S6 के साथ connection है ना वंशिका. Look at R. It talks about colors. And S6 gives names of colors. So R का direct S6 के साथ connection है. So R has to be the last one. Are you getting that? Yeah. Right? So P talks about differences. Q talks about cliche. R talks about homogenization was never achieved. It says immigrants from diverse cultures and tradition cast off vestiges and became woven into the fabric. And that's the melting pot concept. So P, Q, and R talk about how amalgamation or integration has not taken place. S is the only one which actually talks about the melting pot concept. So it has to start with S, right? It has to start with S. And obviously दोनों options में Q second है. तो पहले R के बाद P या P के बाद R. So R says homogenization was never achieved and explains that differences always remain. And also if you take a look, P का differences is connected with S6 में differences. So P has to be the end, which makes only one option pending, and that has to be option B. right? S is different. S is the beginner, P is the ender. एक ही ऑप्शन है जहां पे S is beginning and P is ending. So that straightforward is my answer. See, guys, exactly what I said. S is the only one which is talking about American society being a melting pot, right? So S has to be the beginner. Similarly, when P talks about differences, S6 also talks about differences. So it has to end in P. So S के बाद S से शुरू होगा, P से end होगा. एक ही ऑप्शन है जो ये अलाउ करता है. And hence no other option can be the answer. Does not make sense. Are we getting that? Anushka. Amanbir, same. Listen. If you say QSRP, the term has long been a cliche, right? Then you say immigrants from. See, you're talking about positivity here, and then you are talking about the problem with the term. PQR, all three of them are slightly negative. They're talking about something not happening, right? So they have to be together, they cannot be split up. Amanbir, got that? Are you getting that? Okay, sure. This is straightforward, right? Her face is thin and poor woman. So poor woman and her face is thin. Q and P have to be in that order. Then he has a fever. Who has a fever? The little boy. So S के बाद R आना चाहिए, right? And her little boy. That means first you talk about the woman and then you talk about her little boy. So Q P S R, option C. There should be no doubt in this question. One of the easiest ones. Are we getting that? One of the easiest questions. Definitely most of us should have got this immediately. Not going to spend much time on this. Moving ahead. This is also easy. A noise started above their head. That was to show that there was something wrong. So this noise could have been to show that something was wrong, right? But people did not take it seriously. Not taking it seriously was the dangerous thing to do. Why was it dangerous? Because within minutes the ship began to sink. And finally, 200 lives were lost on that day. So QPRS. Definitely my sequence. The noise ka purpose that was to show that is only the noise. There is nothing else which can be described as that. So Q has to be my beginner. So Shubhankar, B cannot be your answer. Are you getting that? Did everybody else get this one? Relatively simple. Should have been able to get this one quickly also. Guys, समझ में आया ये वाला? Did you get this one? Okay. Chalo. Moving on. So, Q is where the description of the library takes place. P talks about the library contents, books that is students walked away with them. And S talks about that they generally returned them, right? And this would impress morality. Their public morality impressed visitors, right? This would not happen in China, he said. So QPSR followed by S6. Option B, definitely my answer in this one. Right? P and S is a mandatory pair. P and S is a mandatory pair, but that is everywhere. All the options have PS in them. So first you talk about the library system, right? Now, if R was a beginner, let's put R as a beginning statement. Okay, private lives are shallow, but public morality impressed. तो R के बाद क्या sequence होना चाहिए था? R के बाद भी they commented on the library, student walked away with books, but in general they returned them. So RQPS is actually also a decent option, right? Unfortunately. So although B is put as the option, I think C would make a good choice. I am not very happy with B as the answer. C actually would seems like a better choice. Because American private lives are shallow, but public morality impressed visitors. And then you talk about the incident, particular incident, and say that this doesn't happen in China. So C might be a better option. This would not happen in China. What would not happen in China? The fact that they're returning the books would not happen in China is connecting them. So I think B ko I will change. This one I'll change the answer. B is not a good option. Actually, C is a better option in my opinion. So I'm putting C. Yes, guys, C is a better option. Because private lives and public morality is connected. So S1 followed by R makes more sense. I hope everybody got this one. C is actually a good answer in this one. Why not D? See, RPSQ. R says they're public, okay. P says to, you see, first you're talking about the library. Chinese journalist, he starts that there is a curious institution, the library. What happens in the library? Student walk away with books, but in general return them. So Q comes before, not afterwards. And Q के बाद S6 makes no sense, Shubhankar. Read it. Q के बाद S6 makes absolutely no sense. Chalo. Next one then. See, Q talks about Venus appearing brighter, and S6 is also about brightness. So Q has to be the ending statement, and there is only one option which gives Q as my ending statement. Matter over. ज़्यादा डिस्कशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, right? Of course, you can talk about, there is yet another thing, right? S talks about being near, and R also talking about near. So R and S and R are also together. They cannot be split. But the clearest thing is there's only one option where brightest are together. So straightforward answer A. Urmi, Zarna, Anushka, I hope you guys understood it. How one single line can help us determine the answer. Okay. Shanta is a girl and she is the pronoun for that. Baki, boys and girls plural, young people plural, they assume plural. So R has to be connected with S6. Only one option which does that. C is my answer. I think everybody got this one right. Very good. Most of us got this one right. So I think this was very simple one. Not wasting much time on this. Quickly moving ahead to the next one. So S1 talks about she, S6 talks about we. This is V, right? And this is V. That means it has to start with Q. S1 and SQ are connected. So Q is the right beginner. So B and C ke beech mein. She said on the phone she would report for duty, but she did not, right? So then what happens? We waited for a few days, then we decided to go to her place. We found it locked. Even after that, we waited for her quite a few days. So P, R, and S makes sense. Even after that means after what? First you waited, then you went and saw it locked. Even after you found it locked, you still waited. So Q, P, R, S. Best possible option. Bhavya, previous one is C. This one is also C. Got it? Relatively simple one. Easy to crack. C. Chalo. See, S is obviously my ender because every option contains S in the end. S says sometimes it is worth 12, sometimes it is worth 8, which means it is indicating that these rates of exchange are varying. So Q, S and S6 is a natural sequence, right? So my question is P and R के बीच में क्या sequence आएगा? P is a general statement, and from R you are starting the example of giving American, British, pound and everything. So P pehle general statement and then the example. So P, R, Q, S, best possible option. No. P, Q, R, S. P talks about general. ठीक है. उसके बाद these rates of exchange vary, and then you are talking about American dollar and per certain amount of money. No. See, S and S6 are talking about a variation. So S के immediately पहले Q का आना जरूरी है. S के immediately पहले Q का आना जरूरी है. Yes, in starting they are talking about exchanges, right? They are talking about exchanges. So what is meant by foreign exchange? P gives you the explanation of the meaning of exchange. Value of one country in relation to the money of other countries agreed upon. That is meant by foreign exchange. So S1 has to be followed by P because P gives you the definition of what is meant by foreign exchange. Q can't come first because these rates of first of all you define what is an exchange. You define what is meant by exchange and then you say that this value changes. कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट की बात करोगे, द फर्स्ट थिंग यू टॉक अबाउट इज द डेफिनेशन एंड P is the definition. So P definitely has to be the first one, right? Did you get that? 12 com C 48 whatever. Yes? Okay, chal. Moving on. So S1 talks about two great objects and S talks about the objects. It refers to the objects once again, right? So S1 is connected with S and only one option does that. So definitely C. And his time, the word his is also referring to a person, and S1 is also referring to a person. See, not only is the word object connected, but his time refers to a person and Moncure Conway a person. So there are double connections between S1 and S6. So C has to be my answer. Hope you got that one. Yeah, all those who have given me the answer have given it correctly. What about the others? What about the others, guys? Got it? Okay. Next one. The study of speech disorders due to brain surgery suggests that patients can think, right? They. But initially you talk about the common noun patient and then you replace it with the pronoun. So Q has to be the first one followed by the others, and only one option gives you Q in the beginning. So straightforward, that is your answer. Easy one. Right? This proper common noun and pronoun wala trick is actually a good way of identifying sequences. प्रोनाउन वालों को बाद में ही डालते हैं. जनरली प्रॉपर या कॉमन नाउन पहले आ जाता है. ईजी वे ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग. सो दिस तो सिटर था. वेरी क्विक. यस आदित्य. ओके. Swept it off. It is what? So first you talk a black-haired young woman. She is leading a young woman wearing a hat, right? Because the others are all about the hat, but who is wearing the hat? So P starts it. Only one option starts it. Then of course the young man tossed his head to shake the hat back. The woman swept it off and tossed it, and the child jumped to catch it. So Q and R have to be together, and S fits in between. So P, S, Q, R. Definitely my right answer. Definitely easy. Vanshika, which one? This one? See, P, R and S is referring to somebody using the pronoun they. But they refers to whom? Q talks about the patients. And then the patients are referred to as they. So Q has to be the beginner, right? Do you understand that? पहले patient बोलो और फिर उनको दे करके रेफर करो. Not necessary. Why not? Without referring to a proper or common noun, unless it is dramatic speech, can you start a sentence with a pronoun? Yeah, S1 has mentioned patients. तो फिर Q के अंदर भी patients है. Is that to be put in middle? And then look at it. S6 also talks about they. So patient को साथ में डालो and they वाले सबको साथ में डालो. I agree. But then S6 also contains they. So if you put Q at the end, they, patient, they. It breaks the pattern, right? S6 को भी तो देखो. S6 also contains a they. So you mention the patients first and then you always mention the pronoun. So S6 also tells you that putting Q in between doesn't make sense. Got that, Vanshika? Okay. चलो, ये तो हो गया था. See, for example, the Indian Ocean has a range called the Indian Ridge, right? Which means it's talking about something mountainous. So so much of it has a range called the Indian Ridge. However, there are great mountain ranges as well. Okay? एक second. Okay, you're talking about the depth of the ocean. So, how deep it is on an average 2.5 to 3.5 miles. So, S has to be a beginner, right? When you're talking about depth in S1, then telling how deep it is makes logical sense. So, on an average, it talks about it is 2.5 to 3.5 miles deep, and much of it is fairly flat. However, there are mountain ranges. So, Q के बाद कहीं पे R का आना जरूरी है, right? Much of it is fairly flat. For example, there's a range called the Indian Ridge. However, there is a great mountain range which goes from India to Antarctic. But S being the beginner is pretty straightforward for me. A is the answer. Previous one, Sanskriti, is A. You don't get why P can be first. So, for example of what? The Indian Ocean has a range called the Indian Range. P se begin karoge. Much of it is fairly flat. And then you say, on the average, the bottom is 2.5 mil deep. So, when you're talking about depth, shouldn't it go with deep? S1 के बाद S, isn't it the logical sequence? S is the beginner. Isn't that a logic? Yeah, Aditya, I agree with you, because range called the Indian Ridge, right? R ke baad, that's why initially I was stumbling, because I thought R ke baad P would make sense. But there is no option जहाँ पे R के बाद directly P है. Right? If it were SQRP, that would have been the best option for me. SQRP would have been the best option for me. But if that is not given, then starting with S is the best option so far. Do you get that? Starting with S is the best option so far. SQRP would have been brilliant. But in absence of that option, I will go with SQPR. Although PR doesn't seem to make too much of sense. I agree with you. Is everybody with me on this one? Okay, chalo. Next one. So A was the answer to this one, huh, guys? A is the answer to this one. Next. She went shopping. So when you go, you take your car and you stop there. Then you get out of the car and you walk to the shop. When you walk to the shop, you suddenly realize that you have forgotten your purse. So when you have forgotten your purse, you are disappointed. You return to the parking lot and then you drive back home. So simple, R, Q, S, P. No doubt at all. The sequence is pretty simple. You decide to go shopping, you take your car, you park the car, you get out. When you enter the shop, you search for your purse. You find there is no purse, you are disappointed, you go back home. Simple sequence of events. Shubhankar, Aneri. See, if you know that you have forgotten your purse, Why would you get out of the car and walk to the shop? Right? If you're in the car and you realize that you have forgotten your purse, you won't get out, you'll directly go home. So you have to get out of the car, enter the shop, and then realize that you have forgotten the purse. Are you getting that? I hope Aneri also got that. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Once upon a time, there lived three young men in a certain town of Hindustan. Right? All the people were mortally afraid of them. So there has to be a reason why people are afraid of you. They were so powerful, they could catch growing lions and tear them to pieces. R says that someone told them they would become immortal if they killed that. Immediately, so they set out in search of death. So R has to be my ender. Right? R has to be my ender. Now, when you say there are three men, then you talk about they believed they were very good friends. They were very powerful that they could tear lions. So people were afraid of them. Somebody told them, beat death and you will be immortal. So they went out to search for that. So SQPR. Straightforward my answer. SQPR is straightforward answer. No confusion here. Good. Next. So when you talk about polymers, remember guys, anything which is a definition, anything which explains the term has to be first. So the word polymer is explained that essentially they are long chains of hydrocarbons, right? So Q as a beginner is great. Q as a beginner is great. And Q के बाद R तो fit है कि they are strong as metal, polymer strong as metal have been developed. So the question is S के बाद P या P के बाद S, right? S के बाद P या P के बाद S. So the point is they have replaced the traditional metallic bumpers. Why? Because they are cheap, easy to process, and they are a viable alternative to metals. So S के बाद P. Making sense? Quickly moving on, guys. Next one. So it's talking about, it starts, there is a start in the interest of neurophysiology. First, it says before 1960s, research articles were scattered. But after it, a number of journals have started which are devoted to these areas. And S says that Brain and Cognition is one such journal, right? And it has format which is very similar to Brain and Language. So this it refers to Brain and Cognition wala journal. So RQSP, simple. RQSP. I hope it makes sense. Most of you who answered have got it right. So I'm assuming the others will also understand why that is the right sequence. Okay guys, quickly moving. Next one. So this is, I think, pretty simple. The lady becomes blind. So you call the doctor, right? She agreed to pay a large fees to the doctor. Then the doctor comes every day for the treatment, takes away some furniture. Finally, she's cured and he demands his fees. So when he demands his fees, she refuses and doctor wants to know the reason. What is the reason? She said she's not cured because she can't see the furniture. It's a very old popular story. It also gives you the right sequence of B. So why can't A be the answer? Will the doctor come before the lady agrees to pay a fees to him? अनेरी, कोई भी बंदे को आप काम के लिए बुलाओगे, सबसे पहले तो डिसाइड करोगे फीस, उसके बाद ही वो काम चालू करेगा ना. सो हाउ कैन द डॉक्टर कम एवरी डे and then she decide how to pay fees? So R has to be in the beginning. Got it? Okay. Next one. Simple. Yes, Aditya. What is the cause of our chronic food shortage? The chief cause is the population explosion. S answers the question first, and only option with S is B. Correct, Shubhankar. There's only one option with B, and B. S has to be after S1. Everything else talks about population. But the introduction of the problem being population is in S, and that has to be my beginner. So option B, definitely my right answer. Hope you got this one. Next. So, P talks about the philosopher Descartes, and only S talks about the pronoun he, which obviously refers to Descartes. So, PS is a pair, and only one option gives me PS as a pair, making C the right answer. Everything else is a generalist statement, but Rene Descartes, a human being, and the pronoun he have to be connected to each other. So P and S have to be together. Now, let's take a look at RQPS, right? What about RQPS? So, P says Descartes thought that both men and animals were machines, but a machine, right? Machine के साथ जो but है, that means Q has to come after the introduction of machine, and introduction of machine happens in P. So P cannot come after RQ. P has to come before RQ, and hence D cannot be my answer. Aditya, hope you got this one. R is a good starter. Before the day of machinery, that was a good definition. Okay? But then, what about P having to come before? Let's see if RQPS makes sense. Our ancestors thought anything which moved itself was a machine. Before the day of machinery, that was a good definition. But a machine such as a motor car or a steamship moves itself. As soon as machines which moved themselves have been made, people asked, is man a machine? The philosopher Descartes thought both men and animals were machines. He also thought human machine were partly controlled by the sole action and blah blah blah. Therefore, some think that life is a very complicated mechanism. Not bad actually. D is actually not bad. But R talks about before the days of machinery, that was a good definition. And therefore, some scientists think that life is just a complicated mechanism. Not great, but somewhat it helps me justify PSQR than RQPS. Yeah. Yeah, actually, RQPS can be given as an answer. C and D. Here also, I think RQPS may make sense because definition in the beginning. But then that was a good definition. Okay, that can follow. I would also go with D. Yeah, I didn't pay attention to that. But going with D also somewhat makes sense, guys. I think I'll have to change my opinion. D seems to make sense. I'm changing this. Did you understand why I'm changing? D actually makes sense because the definition part connects it. The definition part actually connects it. ठीक है? चलो. So moving ahead, I think I changed this one. D is a good one. Chalo. Next one. Story format. Duryodhan was a wicked prince. He did not like that the Pandavas should be loved and respected. Right? Pandavas में भीम का इंट्रोडक्शन एस में हो रहा है. देन one day Bhim made Duryodhan fall from a tree from which Duryodhana was stealing fruits. But R को कहाँ पे fit करें? R को can I fit it here? It doesn't seem a great fit. Duryodhana specially hated Bhima. इसके जगह पे QPRS हो सकता है. He did not like Bhima. One day Bhima made. There has to be a better sequence. Not getting a good sequence. QPRS को देखें. Okay, Duryodhana was a wicked prince. He did not like the Pandavas. One day Bhim made Duryodhana among the Pandavas. No. S के बाद ही बाकी आ सकते हैं. R and P तो डेफिनेटली S के बाद ही आएंगे. सो आई थिंक QSPR की जगह पे अगर QSRP होता, that would have been a better option. But because that option is not there, right? So we are forced to go with QSPR. QSRP होता, that would have been a great option. QSRP would have been an excellent option. But that is not given. So Q and S के sequence से we know that C from the options is okay. Not the best answer, but दिए गए options में that is the one which best fits. Are you getting that? Okay. Closest, yes. Dates. Simple. Right? 1905, 1915, 1920, 1947. नंबर्स को देखो, एडजस्ट करो, खत्म कहानी. I hope everybody got this one. Chronology, very simple, correct. Next one. He, his, whose. पोएट. सो आर से तो बिगिन होगा, राइट? आर से तो बिगिन होगा. सो He takes down his books of poems. He heard them on the floor. Heard what? He turned over the pages. Some of them contained his. So what sequence can we follow? Right? He took the books. He turned over the pages, reading passages here and there. Some of them contained his earliest writings, which he had almost forgotten. He heard them on the floor. Now, that I think is some spelling mistakes because he heard them on the floor. Doesn't make sense. But uske baad S6, okay. RP and then SQ या QS. That is confusing. A या D में से कोई भी हो सकता है. RP लेकिन SQ या QS दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. I think there's some error in one of the lines because it is not making great sense. That is fair enough. I think there is some error. कोई correction करने के बाद ही we'll be able to tell what is the exact answer to this one. Are you with me, guys? Are you with me, guys, on this one? Okay. Chalo. Next one. Are you getting this one? Okay. The sequence is supposed to be PQSR. I had halted on the road. As soon as I saw the elephant, I knew I could not shoot him. It is a serious matter. Why I could not shoot him? Because it is a serious matter to shoot a working elephant. I knew that his must, the elephant was standing 8 yards from the road. I knew that his must was already passing off. I decided to watch him. So PQ is an obvious pair, right? Unfortunately, there in 3 of them. So again, this is a controversial one. The sequence could be anything. It literally could be anything else, right? Most of the other options also make sense. The only hint we are getting is that PQ should be together. Unfortunately, 3 options have PQ together. And the others are not connected greatly. So this option in the exam, I would not, because I would not be very sure whether I'm right or not in this one. I cannot be very sure whether it is correct in this one. So here, this I will not take a risk in the exam. Right? It would be wise to leave such a question because there aren't enough details to make sure whether it is right or not. Getting that? Yeah. So bit controversial this one. Guys, let's take one last example. I'll give you the answer key for the rest because we are running out of time. Let's just take one last and then I'll just show you the answers to the rest. Right? Okay. So they quickly die. Who quickly dies? There is only one monkey we can thoroughly recommend as an indoor pet, right? So it is the beautiful and intelligent capuchin monkey. So Q starter, right? Uske baad you describe the lively little capuchin may be left for years in an English house without the least danger to its health. You are still talking about only the capuchin monkey. Then the marmosets, it is true, are more beautiful than a capuchin and just as pleasing, but they are too delicate for the English climate. They quickly die from cold and cough after the first winter fogs, right? So QR and SP are pairs. But there is no option of QRSP. The closest thing I get is QRPS. If QRSP was given, that would have been a great answer. Because they quickly die. That has to come after it. So B can be a great answer only if it is given as QR. Now QSPR. It is beautiful and intelligent capuchin monkey. The marmosets are more beautiful than capuchins. They quickly die. The little actually makes sense. Actually makes sense. QSPR. Yeah, QSPR actually makes a much better sense. Right? You say that there is only one monkey, that is the capuchin monkey. Okay. The marmosets are more beautiful. SP comes together. So SP, and then it say that however the the marmosets die, but the capuchins can be left for many years. Okay, so QSPR, much better option. I agree. Sorry, QSPR. C is the answer to that. Got this one? Hopefully got this one. Why not B? Because look at P and S. They quickly die. Who dies? The marmosets die, ना? तो P के बाद S नहीं आ सकता. S के बाद P आना चाहिए. That's why B cannot be my answer. Do you understand that, Bhavya? Okay. So guys, we are running out of time. I'm just displaying the answer key. You can check your answers. And then we are done for the day.